Hey everyone, welcome back to SK Tech. In this video, I will be showing you a super easy trick to edit PDF files without any special software. This is a sample PDF file which I downloaded from internet. Normally, we cannot edit PDF files without a PDF editors, but this method will make it easy. Let's get started. Open the MS Word application and make the window small like this. Now, simply drag and drop the PDF file you want to edit. Now, click OK when this pop-up message appears. Now, you need to click on Enable Editing in order to start editing. Now click OK. Now you can edit the PDF as you want, just with your MS Office application, but this will only work with MS Office version 2013 or above. Now, you can save the file again, as a PDF or even as a Word document by following the instructions. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.